Hello, it's Hui-Ming here, and in this video you will learn how your customers can leverage on the shopping app to shop, to collect, and to redeem the points from you. With the number of smartphone users worldwide rising years after years and a growing dependence on shopping experience, it should come as no surprise that mobile commerce is also becoming increasingly popular. And EasyStore loyalty program is actually integrated with the shopping app, and it is extremely important for businesses like you to adapt to loyalty programs on new generations' expectations and norms. And by having the loyalty program to be included in the shopping app, as it brings convenience, it also enhances customers' retention by offering a user-friendly and engaging experience. With mobile apps, customers can get access to many things. So let's dive into shopping app to explore some of the key features you must know. First, inside the shopping app, customers can actually treat it like another platform where they can purchase from you with this user-friendly interface. They can download it on their devices, be it by smartphone or tablets. So what they can do is they can go through product browsing, they can go on catalog as well. So when they click on the arrow, they can go through on the collection that you have assigned specifically. For example, new arrival. So here will be the products under new arrival. And for example, if they are looking forward to look for the collection and scroll through accordingly. So when they click on it, they can view the images, some of the promotions available, and the product description as well. So you can actually click add to cart, select the quantity, add to cart, and it will be automatically added into the cart. So it's a very straightforward progress, very user friendly. They can just go through. For example, if there are some products with images, they can actually slide through as well. As easy as that. And once you have added the products to cart, you can check out the shopping cart as well, just at the bottom left. And you'll be able to see what are the products that you have added to cart previously. So from here you can have a look, and let's say if you are running available vouchers that customers have yet to redeem, they can actually select from here. For example, here we have 10 ringgit off, minimum spend of 150 ringgit. So I can directly click use it. And it also depends on your setting requirements. Sometimes the promotion or discount setting is only for specific item or a specific certain amount purchase or minimum amount purchase. Alright, so it still depends on how you actually set it. But here we are running a 10 ringgit off for minimum purchase of 150 ringgit, and as you can see, it is deducted discount automatically. Voucher applied successfully. So once all good, we can continue to check out. So here, customers can proceed with secure checkout process as we are integrated with payment gateways and courier system as well. So with this user-friendly interface, it also enhances the customer's experience by offering user a seamless payment and delivery process. So let's say if customers is your existing customers or they have signed up for an account, they can just directly log in. They can check out the order summary as well here and go through. For example, if they are new customers, they can actually fill in their shipping address. If they are an existing customers just like me, they just need to go through and select which are the shipping addresses that they would like to select from here. And for shipping method, it also depends on your settings. It can be multiple courier services, it can be your own preset courier delivery or shipping method. But here today we have up to a few options. For example, if customers are okay, they can go with GNT Express, and they can input some remarks, and here another confirmations of the vouchers or discount code used. And here are the points. So let's say if you're running points redemption activities, they can actually select or collect points from here as well. And when it comes to payment method, we support various type of payment method, be it by FPX online banking, e-wallet, installment, buy now pay later, credit and debit card is applicable. And again, it is back to your settings, whether what kind of payment method that you are offering to your customers. If all looking good, customers can just directly click place order now. In EasyStore, there are two types of payment method, manual and also automated. So currently, do it now, is considered as manual payment method, where customers would need to screenshot of the e-receipt, uploaded it with the reference ID and submit. But then let's say if it's an auto payment method like FPX online banking, credit or debit card, or installment, autonomy, it can be done automatically. From here, customers can also see through the order informations. They can click view order as well. So when they click on view order, they can actually go through the information. And let's say if this order has been successfully paid. So what customers can actually do from that app itself, they can check back their order history and order tracking. From here, we have to pay, to receive, completed, cancelled, return, and refund. For example, if previously customers have placed an order and they have yet to receive, so it will be under to receive. So meaning to say that their orders are still in delivery, right? But then once everything has been done, payment done, products has been delivered successfully, it will be under completed. From here, customers would be able to see the buy again button. It is basically to encourage repeat purchase just at customers' fingertips. Easily they can access to their previous orders, and let's say if they would like to repurchase, just click the buy now button, confirm, just add to cart, and they can go through the user-friendly checkout process as what we have gone through earlier on. As simple as that. Let's say if customers would like to ask questions about the products, we do have a live chat inside the shopping app itself, which is under chat. Customers can actually look out for your customer service to ask for more questions, be it by is the product still available, when will this product be top up again, and is it able to like ship to other places, or other type of inquiries. So customers who've downloaded this app could actually get access to your customer service directly instead of juggling around just to look for your customer service. And besides live chat, you can also send push notifications. So push notifications can be in many forms. It can be promotions, it can be updates that is important. For example, a new year coming soon, you have discounts, or for example clearance, right, or grand opening, which you will be having at somewhere in KL, or maybe you're joining pop-up bazaar somewhere. So this can be a good tools where you can send updates to your customers to build the customer engagement, to get more traffic, to get more awareness, and eventually for repeat purchases. Shopping app also provide real-time notifications. So basically, once you've sent it, customers will receive it on the spot. Like for example, earlier on, we have used the 10 ringgit off minimum spend 150, right? So you can send it via push notification as well. So customers are aware that, okay, they are giving a 10% off if I spend 150 ringgit, right? If you didn't share to customers might not know it. Okay, so customers can directly view voucher from here. So the vouchers are available as well, be it by active, the ones that is available to shop, and for the past one. So earlier on, we have used the 10 ringgit off minimum spend 150, right? So it appear under past, meaning to say I have actually used this voucher. Eventually, having an app is to provide convenience for the customers, which our goal here is to provide a unified shopping experience to your customers. So let's head to customers account. So it will be bottom right. When you click on it, this is where customers would see their information. Each customers would have their unique barcode once they have signed up as a member. So for example here, we just click on the barcode. It can be changed barcode or QR code. Staff scan this barcode or this QR code. Staff can easily identify this customer's purchase history, which tiers are they, how many points they have, and what are the vouchers that are still available. So under this situation, staff don't need to memorize all of the customers' faces, which I believe it can be hard for customers to recognize, right? Because there are a lot of customers coming in and out every day. When you have this QR code or barcode, it is a very easy way to identify whether if this customer is a new one or is an existing customer. At the same time, this is where the loyalty part comes in. So as long as customers sign up as a member with you and they have this barcode, they can utilize to shop, to redeem, to collect points, both online and offline. They can check the points, the vouchers, and rewards anytime, anywhere. And once they've logged in into this app, they will remain logged in, so no worries about retrieving the password, and it will be the same account for both online, your website, the app, and also offline, which is your physical store or your pop-up stores, making it super convenient for customers to earn, to redeem, and to use it anywhere they shop. From here, you can get to see their tiers. For example, customers can see it on their own as well, like which tier am I at, and how long would the points be valid, and how many points I have left to redeem, what are the available vouchers, which we have shown earlier, and some of the personal informations as well. And continuous improvement and updates will be done by our team to ensure that the app will be convenient and engaging to your customers. Coming forward, you would be able to have the shopping app with your own brand logo. So stay tuned on what's coming next with EasyStore.